very good day. Myself Chethana, Faculty of Milagros College, Mangalore, Department of Commerce. Today let us move to the concept relating to underwriting of shares. First, let us see what do you mean by underwriting. Underwriting is nothing but organization is issuing a shares to the underwriters. Underwriter is a person who is taking a shares from the organization and they are taking the responsibility of selling the shares to the public. That is known as underwriter. Here underwriter is going to get commissions from the organization for their sale of the shares to the public. Now let us move to the problem relating to underwriting of shares. Just look into the problem which is given. X Limited issued 2 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. The whole issue was underwritten to Mr. A, B and C. A has received 1 lakh shares and B has received 60,000 shares and C has received 40,000 shares. The application received by the organization or from the public is 1,60,000. In that, marked applications are, in the name of A, 80,000 applications was received. In the name of B, 28,000 applications were received. And from the C, 41,000 applications were received. Here we are supposed to calculate net liability of underwriters. Now, first C, look into the question which is given. Here, how much shares are available in the organization? 2 lakh shares are available in the organization. Now, organization has done the whole underwriter. That is nothing but full 2 lakh rupees has distributed to the underwriters. In that, A has received 1 lakh share and B has received 60,000 share and 40,000 shares are received by C. That is nothing but A's responsibility of selling a share is 1 lakh, B's responsibility is 60,000 and C's responsibility is 40,000. Now, how much applications are received from the public or how much applications are received by the organization from the public? That is 1,60,000 application organization has received from the public. In the application, there are two types of application. One is marked application, the other one is unmarked application. Now, what do you mean by marked application? In the application, if any name is specified, either the name of A, B or C, such application is considered as a marked application. That is nothing but application received from the organization because of A. Because of the recommendation of A, the public has put the application. So such applications are known as marked application. Unmarked application is nothing but, so here public has given the application without the recommendation of any of the underwriter. Because of the reputation of the organization, public has given the applications to the organization. Such application is known as unmarked application. So here we have to calculate, segregate marked application as well as unmarked application by looking into a total applications received. Total application received is 1,60,000. In that, how much application is considered with a name? So how much application in the name of A, 80 applications we have received. In the name of B, 28,500. In the name of C, 41,500. So these are the total application we received with the recommendation. So here 1,60,000 minus the 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is a marked application. So remaining 10,000 application is considered as a unmarked application. So here which are the unmarked application? Such applications are distributed to the underwriters. Now first let us do the statement relating to the net liability. Just write the heading statement showing underwriters liability. You have to draw the column. First column is particulars. Second column is the name of first underwriter, B and C. First write gross liability. Here in the place of gross liability you have to write how much shares received by the underwriter. Here underwriter has received 1 lakh share. Here he has received 60,000 and he has received 40,000. When you do the total of this three value, it should be equal to 2 lakh. Next, as I said, you have to deduct marked application. Unmarked application. 1,60,000 applications received by the organization. In that, in the name of A, 80,000 applications. In the name of B, 28,500 application. In the name of C, 41,500 applications received. So it is 1,60,000 minus 1,50,000. So without any name, organization has received 10,000 applications. So this 10,000 is known as unmarked application. So this 10,000 should be distributed to A, B and C in their ratio. Which is their ratio? That is, you have to calculate the ratio. It is 1 lakh is to 60,000 is to 40,000. Just simplify it. 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So this is the ratio. 10,000 should be distributed in this ratio. 10,000 into 5 divided by 10. So our answer will be 5,000. 10,000 into 3 divided by 10. Our answer will be 3,000. Here it will be 2,000. Now, out of 1 lakh rupees, 5,000 rupees is an unmarked application. So here remaining is 95,000 shares. So this 95,000 share is a responsibility of A. He has to sell 95,000 shares. His responsibility is 57,000 shares. His responsibility is 38,000 shares. Now, marked applications. In their name, they have received some applications. In the name of A, 80,000 application was received. In the name of B, 28,500 applications are received. In the name of C, 41,500 applications are received. So now you have to see, A is having 95,000 shares, 95,000 applications, and in his name 80,000 applications are received. Whether the share is sufficient, he is having sufficient number of share. So what is the remaining share? 15,000 is the remaining share. Here 57,000, in that 28,500, what is the remaining share? Remaining share is 28,500. Now, he is having 38,000 share. In his name, 41,000 shares are received. See whether the sufficient number of shares are there. So, there are no sufficient number of share. What is the shortage of share? Minus 3,500 is a shortage. So, we got 15,000. 28,500. Here it is 3,500. Here it is minus 3,500. Minus 3,500 is nothing but it is a shortage of shares C is having. He is not having a 3,500 shares to give to the applicant. So this 3,500 is distributed to remaining underwriter. So we are giving the name as surplus given to a remaining underwriter by C. So 3,500 into 5 is to 3. So this is their ratio. So 3,500 is distributed. So answer will be 2,190, 2,190, and here it is 3,110. So this is the ratio. Here total will be 13,000. Do the total. 15,000 minus 2,190. It is 13,810. And here do the total. 18,500 plus 1,000 minus 1,310. Your answer will be 27,190. So it is known as net liability of underwriters. Thank you.